Hey there, financial warriors. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something that's often more hassle than it's worth: canceling your eTrade account in 2025. Whether you're switching to a new broker, cutting down on fees, or just streamlining your investments, I'll walk you through the process step by step. This guide is based on the latest updates as of 2025, but remember, things can change, so double check on the eTrade site first. First things first, why cancel? eTrade is great for trading stocks and options, but if it's not fitting your needs anymore, it's time to say goodbye. Before we dive in, make sure you have your login details handy, and check if you have any open positions or pending transactions. Those might need to be closed first to avoid complications. Step 1. Log into your eTrade account using your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to verify that too. Once you're in, head over to the Account or Profile section, usually found in the top right corner. Next, look for Account Settings or Manage Account. This is where things get specific. Scroll down until you see options related to closing or canceling your account. eTrade might call it Close Account or Termination Request. Click on that. Now, you'll probably have to fill out a form. Be prepared to provide reasons for cancellation, and don't skip any required fields. They might ask for verification, like your social security number or linked bank account, to confirm it's really you. Take your time here to avoid errors. After submitting, eTrade will review your request. You might get an email confirmation, so keep an eye on your inbox. Processing can take a few days, so don't panic if it's not instant. Oh, and one tip. If you have any funds in your account, withdraw them first or specify how you want them transferred. Once it's all done, you'll receive final confirmation. Congrats, you're free. If you run into any issues, eTrade's customer support is there to help. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.